Last year, the digital radio maker Pure Digital branched out with its first internet radio. Unlike digital and analog broadcasts, internet radio is transmitted over the internet, obviously. The downside is that you need a working broadband connection, but on the other hand, it does mean that you can access radio stations from all over the world. Over the last few years, in terms of what they broadcast, the quality of the stations has improved immensely, and Pure also filters the list that you can access through the Avanti flow to get rid of the dross. There are still thousands of stations available though. Quality in technical terms, in terms of the crackle and fizz of the broadcast, varies from station to station, but most of them are perfectly listenable. Pure says that it wants to create a whole new listening experience for internet radio, which is no bad thing in our experience because current internet radios leave a little to be desired. The Avanti flow, like its predecessor the Evoke flow, is linked to Pure's Lounge website. On the site you can select and preview stations and add them to your favourites list, which is then automatically transferred to the radio for easy access. The radio can also play music that's stored on PCs on your home network, as well as accessing both digital and FM stations. There's even an iPod connector, an iPod dock on the top, so that you can plug in your iPod for music from that. It works as an alarm clock, and you can wake up to any of those types of broadcast or to the iPod. Sound quality was impressive. The Avanti flow is larger than the Evoke flow, which gives it room for a bass subwoofer as well as the main speakers, giving it this kind of bass effect as you can hear. It was fairly easy to configure, and even though it needs to be connected to a wireless network, that part was fairly painless too. At £280, the Pure Digital Avanti flow isn't cheap, but you do get a good quality iPod dock, internet radio and DAB and FM playback in one neat looking unit.